What's good, YouTube? It's your boy PWEEZY. I'm back with another video, and as y'all seen by the title, y'all already know what's going on. I'm finna put y'all onto some sauce to expand y'all bag a little bit. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna help y'all get a little bit more ways to score on the easy side though. On the easy side, because these is like bailout points that you can easily get whenever like shot clock running low or you need a quick bucket. This is what you want to do. So first things first, I'm going to put y'all on to the Lonzo Ball. If none of y'all did this last year, the Lonzo Ball is the easiest way. You know what I'm saying? It's an easy drive every time. All you have to do is your escape, hold R2, flick your right stick, opposite ball hand. Like that. I'm going to do it the other way. Boom. As y'all see, you keep flicking back and forth. Right? So, as y'all keep flicking back and forth, you could go 1, 2, start running to the paint, Lonzo cross. You can go out of angle. For example, it's going to do this. And it's going to, boom, you get a free dunk every time. And all that is the Lonzo Ball crossover. You don't only have to use Lonzo because on a different build, I'm going to show y'all in a minute. Hey, you feel me? It's that simple. It gives you a speed boost. Instantly dunk, right? That's the easy thing. Animations, as y'all see right here. Look at the crossover, Lonzo Ball. If you can't use Lonzo Ball, you can use Pro as well. I use Pro on my lock whenever I ISO on my lock. It's the same thing. You can do it on any player. Let me show y'all. I have Pro crossover. And I do this on my lock too. It's a little bit slower, but I do it on my lock. You know what I mean? It works as well. You can do it on, bro. You can have, I'm not going to say any crossover because certain crossovers are weird. But I like Pro and I like Lonzo Ball. Those are the two I go with. So yeah, we're going to get into the next thing that y'all going to do. The next easy buck. Because now you're going to be a bucket. You know what I'm saying? Now you're going to, you know what I'm saying, load up to the rec. Go to the park. And you're going to get your free buck. Next thing I'm going to tell y'all is a post fade. You have to add your post fade to your bag. You have to. The last thing I'm going to give y'all is going to be, yeah, just know it's that sauce. But a post fade, all you got to do is tempo it. Hold L2. Back them down. Soon as you get a bump, you bump your defender, fade. And all to do that with your right stick. I have a video showing y'all how to post score. I have post scoring videos up. If y'all want to go check that out, I'm going to drop it. Y'all might see it up here in the corner or something. I don't know. Y'all going to see it on the screen though. But yeah, all you got to do is post fade. Hold your stick down. Flick up. It's that simple, bro. Those are like the easiest thing. You get the Lonzo Ball. When you go to the paint, you got the Lonzo Ball. Right? You know what I'm saying? I ain't do it that time, but hold on. You got the Lonzo Ball, you know what I'm saying? Hey, right? On the flip side, and then I gotta give me a buck. Post score, fade. It's simple. It's simple, bro. It's simple. And the last thing I'm gonna put y'all on to is the Euro step. The Euro step helps me work wonders on fast breaks. When you get steals, I might put a few videos up showing y'all each of the moves. I'm not going to lie. But look, Euro. Hey, fast breaks when you get a steal and a defender trying to be in front of you and bro, you don't gotta dunk on them. All you gotta do is Euro. Use your moves. Use your moves. 2K allowed you to Euro. Use your moves. Euro. Hey, you know what I mean? That's all you gotta do. You don't gotta make the game hard, bro. A lot of people make the game hard on themselves, bro. Don't. And if you want to dunk with the Euro, you hold R2. But to do the Euro in general, you're not holding R2. You hold your stick like diagonal down opposite from the ball. So like, as y'all see, I'm going to go right. As y'all see, this is going right with my left stick. So y'all will know which way I'm going with my right hand. Y'all going to see it's opposite. Right. That's all you gotta do. Same thing other way. Hold R2 and you get the dunk. If you don't hold R2, you're gonna get a layup. For example, you're gonna get a layup if I don't hold R2. For example, the other way. You know what I'm saying? So when you hold R2, it's going, hey, you're gonna get a dunk every time. Use your moves, bro. If you don't use your moves, how you gonna be good at the game? How you gonna score? These are simple things to score with. I know I'm gonna see a lot more people doing it now, but this is simple to score with now. Hey, right? Post fade, get your bump. It gave me a layup. Hold on. Get your bump. Fade. I'm tired. Hold on. Get your bump. Fade. Green. You know what I mean? And then get your steal. You down court. Euro step. Lay. Euro step. Dunk. All that, bro. All that. Look. Lay. So, yeah. If y'all enjoyed that video, man, make sure y'all smash that thumbs up. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. And comment down your favorite move. And what else moves y'all want to see. Even in my other videos, if y'all see any moves, y'all like, oh, shoot, how you do this, Weez? How you do this, Weez? I got you. Just let me know. And I'm still going to give y'all videos anyway. But yeah, I love y'all, man. Make sure y'all stay safe, stay blessed. Keep God first. Stay prayed up. And I'm out of here. Peace.